Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming permission. Without access, you can only request view rights. Open Outlook and switch to Calendar immediately. Once in Calendar, choose Add Calendar then from Address Book or People. This initiates a lookup. Type the person's name or email and select their entry. Make sure you select the correct calendar type, shared or delegate, because that affects what you'll see. After adding, the calendar appears side by side so you can compare availability at a glance. Once you've added the contact's calendar, open it and decide how to display it, overlay or side by side. Overlay merges schedules so conflicts are obvious. Side by side preserves clarity when many entries overlap. If access is limited, send a view request through the Sharing Permissions dialog and explain what you need. Use calendar groups and color tags to manage several people's schedules efficiently. Make sure you refresh the calendar or restart Outlook. To finish, confirm the owner's sharing permission level matches what you need. Availability only shows free/busy, while full details show titles and locations. If items are missing or stale, switch to Outlook Web to confirm whether it's a client cache issue, then clear offline files or restart. If you still lack access, contact your Exchange or Office 365 admin. Organizational policies can block cross-mailbox viewing. One troubleshooting tip: remove and re-add the calendar after permission changes to force a fresh sync.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.